Okay guys, here we are back in Andy's greenhouse. Today I'm going to show you how to get peas ready for planting in the garden. Okay, so what we need is just a container like this and some water. Okay, we're just going to pour some water into the container. Okay, like that. Then the peas we're using, you can get all sorts of peas in the garden centre. They're online actually at the moment. The ones I'm using actually are my brother's. These originally came from my granny's garden in the farm in Collishaw in Cleland, so they must be well over easy 70-80 years old. Great peas, they grow to 6 feet high, big massive pods on them, really nice. Okay, so what we do is, the peas are ready. Okay, just pour your peas into the water. Okay. Now you can plant them directly into soil, but I prefer to soak them overnight so we get a nice swollen pea. Okay, and that way it will germinate a lot quicker and we'll get a better result from it. Okay. Okay guys, what I'm going to show you today is I'm going to show you the second part of potting up the peas. Okay, so these are the peas I soaked yesterday. Okay, that's them there. Okay, so all we need to do now is just take the peas and we're going to moisten the soil first of all, just a wee bit of water. Okay, just so the peas get a wee start. Okay, and then we're just going to sprinkle the peas over like that. Okay. Like that. And again, just firm that soil down a wee bit, and we want to just give it a wee water, so I'm just using the water from the tub and some from the watering can. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. Have a try, see how you got on.